Go.
My name is Carl Taylor. In my career as a Marine Corps Scout sniper and government contractor, I've come across a few rifles. This particular rifle from Riverman Gunworks in Coeur d'Alene, Idaho, is a modular breakdown rifle system. There are a lot of breakdown systems out there, but this one actually holds at zero. We've tested it multiple times, multiple locations, all kinds of different venues, taken it apart, put it back together, and it just keeps right on back to zero every time. If you have a chance to fire this weapon system, I highly recommend it.
Two mils of wind though. Target.
Scope. Impact, nicely done.
Target.
Scope. You're hitting low on it.
Target.
Scope. Barely clipped the bottom of that. Nice group though. Group at 5 o'clock is real tight, you see it?
Yep. Okay. Target.
Scope. There you go.
Okay, come on.
I'm on scope.
Target.
Hit. Must be pretty center.
One more on it.
One more.
Target.
Scope. Wind just picked up out there too, and you got it on the right side.
Okay, I got two in the black and one just on the outside of the black circle at 200 yards. I'm pretty safe. That's all kill shot. Nice. So I'm pretty much done with 270.
Oh yeah, 270. That's cool.
Had it since I was 13.
I've had mine since I was 13. I just refinished it last week. When I was 13 or 14, this brand new. Driving there, it was rubbing on something, and it went like this. It's been ruined since I was 13, and I just got it finished.
You don't reuse your brass, do you?
If it's 270, I do.
You want like...
Yeah, just stay off me, man.
This is a Riverman Gunworks 308 MBR, which we just put together, and now we're going to shoot this in-motion targets, moving target. We'll be taking it apart and re-engaging the target to show you the repeatability of these takedown guns. That's an edge hit. completely breaks into 3 pieces.
Okay, man, are you alright?
I'm going to spin off the fore end. Pull back on the bolt. Take the barrel out. Gun's broke down. You put it in a backpack. Put the gun back together. Put the bolt down. Put the fore end over. We'll spin this fore end back on. Bring her nice and tight. And then we'll shoot another group at 500 yards. And you can see that the breakdown rifle comes back to 0. Here we go.